Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll break down how to start your own YouTube automation channel in 2025.
Even if you have no experience, no editing skills, and no channel yet, by the end of this video, you'll know how to pick your niche, find viral scripts, get AI voices, and upload your first automated video that can actually go viral. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Emphasis on profitable. Automation doesn't mean random uploads. You need a topic that's high demand, low competition, and easy to script. Some of the best automation niches right now are fitness, a real-life documentary stories, a luxury and wealth videos, celebrity news, tech, a comedy and movie recaps. You can use YouTube search and filters to find what's already working, then make your own versions of those videos, adding a little twist. I'll be making a video talking about how to find viral niches that could get you monetized in 2 or 3 weeks. It's very much possible because I've tried it. So if you're interested, hit subscribe and wait for my next video. Step 2. Write or generate your script. Now, this part is pretty simple, thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. You can write scripts yourself, or use ChatGPT or Gemini to turn ideas into a full script. You can head over to ChatGPT and tell it to create a script about anything for you. And in less than a minute, your script will be ready. It's as easy as that. Step 3. Voiceovers. In getting voiceovers for your videos, the best AI tool for that is 11 Labs. Although it's not free, it works perfectly to convert your script into natural-sounding voiceovers. If you wait till the end of this video, I'll give a bonus tip on free voiceover apps that you can start with. Now, for those of you that can afford to pay for 11 Labs, here's a tip.
Slightly slow the speed, and add pauses between sentences to make it sound more human. You can thank me if you like. Otherwise, let's go to step 4. Step 4. Video creation. Once you've got your audio, it's time to make visuals. You can use Apexels and Pixabay for free stock videos, emphasis on free. And for the editing, you can use a CapCut, UCut, or VED.io to put your clips together. While editing your videos, add background music and simple motion graphics. Keep it smooth and cinematic. There are AI tools that can actually edit your videos for you, but they're not free, so I won't be talking about them today. Step 5. Upload and optimize. Now it's time to upload your masterpiece. Use a catchy title, high contrast thumbnail, and keyword-rich description. Post consistently. 2 to 3 times per week is perfect for growth. But for farmers like myself who want faster growth, we consider posting every day. Although it's tiring sometimes, it's worth it. And remember, YouTube automation is a system. Once you build a workflow, your channel can grow and earn even while you sleep. So that's how to start YouTube automation from scratch. Thanks for watching this video till this point. I wish you success in your automation journey. And remember, I promised a bonus tip at the end of this video. Here it is. Free AI tools that can turn your texts into voiceovers are 1. Speechma. 2. Free text-to-speech. 3. Natural Reader. Thank me if you like. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button for more growth tips like this.